Greetings, I, Rasputin, will be your host today. Happy Halloween!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Today is brought to you by NewType HQ and Civil 32. Civil 32 is on Instagram. This little lovely here that we're building is thanks to him sending us something special. This is my first resin bust, and it's interesting to say the least. A fair bit of warning. The lighting did not go as planned. However, I'm looking forward to having this zombie Sinanju bust ready in time for Halloween. Happy Halloween, daydreamers.
I feel lonely with every step that I take. I don't feel good and my body starts to shake. I fell in love with a girl, I haven't seen her met so far. Sometimes I wonder if I'm the only one who sees what they say it takes to be a man and what a man can be. It's all lies, it's all a fraud. They only feed you with what they're being fed. Sometimes I still feel it's all so dull. So why don't you take it all? Take it away from me. 'Cause someday I'll leave this place you live cities. Don't run away. Don't run away. Well, it makes me lose my mind, but I don't get it why. Everybody's moving so fast and I'm not even blinking with an eye. But I don't want your badge, I don't need no gun. I'd rather bleed truth than feel misunderstood. Sometimes I still feel it's all so dull. So why don't you take it all? Take it away from me. Someday I'll leave this place you live cities. Don't run away. Don't run away.
Okay. Happy Halloween, guys. I really hope that you liked this week's episode. As you can see, I'm feeling quite festive myself. And for anybody who is remotely curious, I was married on Halloween. This is my 10-year anniversary with my wife. I'm very blessed and very, very thankful that I've had her in my life this far, and thankful that she kept on putting up with me and my antics. But thank you so much for watching today. As I mentioned earlier in the voice of Rasputin, yeah, the LED light didn't work out. I must have pinched something whenever I was doing final assembly, and since this guy was put together with super glue because it is resin kit, well, I just didn't want to break it all apart and redo the whole thing because I ran out of time, to be honest. Yeah, as you guys know, Halloween, spooky season is very, very busy for me. But check out the rest of this little turnaround here for the other views on this little guy that I did. I really like the way he came out. And stay tuned for more from me. Probably no more Whip Wednesdays for the rest of the year, but hey, I'm going to try a little harder on videos from here out. So I hope you like this one. And yeah, till next time, Daydreamer. I'm Justin, your spooky Daydreamer. And I'll see you soon. I got a party to go to. Bye.